still asking. Oh shit, are you high? If you're not, you probably at this point into the channel should be asking yourself why. And even if you don't want to do that, Ozzy is going to force you to take a look within yourself and, get high. That's all there is to it. There's no option. There's no two ways about it. You probably can't see this. Oh, look at there. I got lighting. Today we have lighting. Yes, 3Ds. 3Ds. More swing. Ouch. Hey, there it is. There's the lineup. There's the wooden spoon voice crack. Going full Wolfman crack. Let's go. Wait, who the fuck edited this? You go from back to this and then back to this? What the fuck ever? Yeah, I thought I already said that. Oh shit, I'm gonna do it again. 4-2-0. Oh, he doesn't have the Bette Midler look yet. I couldn't have stayed with this. This is 85. It was just a year before. So if somebody throws a cat on stage, will he bite the tail off? Wow. Oh, that's where that stupid ass shit started, right there. The old endless sea of arms bullshit. That's when Shockwave had to come out. Yeah. Actually, you could have skipped this whole little midsection that's straight to the solo. This is filler. You don't need this part in the song. You know I'm right. Don't walk away from me while I'm roasting you. God damn it, get back here. Fucking Bob Daisley. For a change, you get a good look at him. With those Sabbath crosses. Took like a fucking Jakey. Dying area on the keyboards. Nothing wrong with Randy, but personally, I'm a Jake State Farm kind of Jake from the Blizzard Farm. Okay, I will not complete the joke. I don't like that look in his eyes. He looks like he's gonna go have a fucking hot dog with ketchup on it. He's going to promote the wrath of Clint Eastwood. Why are you like about to fucking cry? Stop it. That's better.